Hi guys, now let's say you have a problem and your kite's been deflating. You must have a hole somewhere, or on the leading edge or on the struts. So the best thing to do is to pump your kite totally, and then when you pump your kite, make sure to clip each individually struts. So leave it sitting out there for, you know, how long it takes, and then after whatever, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you're gonna see the result. If the leading edge is flat, that means there's a hole on the leading edge. If the leading edge is hard, solid, and one of the struts is flat, the hole is in the struts. Okay, so right now I pumped it and I saw one of the struts was flat, and it was this one. So this one was the flat one. So what I did is I deflated the kite, and now I want to look for the hole. So I totally deflated the kite, pumped it up, and then locked this one. So now I'm going to look where the hole is. So what I do is I use a soap with water and I start spraying, and it should have bubbles coming out. Once I find where the bubbles are, then I know where it is, so then I can remove it. Because if the hole is here, then it's very easy. I don't need to disassemble the one pump system. I just can pull it and fix it. If the hole is here, I can still do it. I don't need to. And if the hole is over there, I hope it's not over there, then I have to remove everything. So let's check it out. I'm gonna pump it. You don't need this. This is like a Chinese bottle, really nice, but you don't need that. You can do just a spray. So then you spray it and look for bubbles. And if you see any bubbles coming out, that means there's a hole somewhere here. Okay, doesn't look there. No. Usually it's around, I see some bubbles coming. I see some bubbles, you see bubbles? So it doesn't mean the hole is here. It can be here, 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 but everything's coming through the seams. So, you need to put a little bit more pressure. Okay, we located, the hole is right here. So this is pretty bad because we're gonna need to remove the entire bladder now. So all you do is now, since we found out the hole is here, we're gonna have to cut it off, cut the clips here. Usually, so the zip ties are gone. You move this out, so this is free. And then here, you need to attach it with a line. So you find a line. Right there. Tie it really well, and now it's ready to go. Push the valve in, and you're ready to pull everything. You go over there. You open the velcro. And you find the bladder. You got a bladder, and then slowly you start pulling out. Sometimes there's still air in it. There you go. Perfect, it's out. You can keep the rope here. Now we need to pump it and look where the hole is. So as we found out, the hole was right here. Right here. So we need to pump the kite now and figure it out. Where's the hole? Here, 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 or here. So just need to get a pump. That's how you pump it. You put it here and you pump the thing. So once you're done, remove this. Ah, you see it? There's a hole. There's a hole. So we got it right here. Again. Ah, there. That's it. Then you got, you know where the hole is. Make sure you dry it. Take all the air out. That's dry. Then use one of the patches. Use one of these patches. Send it down a little bit. Clean it. All you need is one of these. Perfect. And this is very good to do it when it's very hot outside. So if it's very cold and it's below 10 degrees or like 47 Fahrenheit, it's very hard. You need a blower so it really sticks to it. But perfect. Here it's very hot. We're melting here. So perfect. You got it. The best thing to do now is to pump again and spray it and then put it back in. So we're all set to go. Make sure you remove all the air out. It's totally deflated, it's ready to go. We're going to do the same thing in reverse. We're going to line everything. So make sure now the bladder is really straight, and then when it's ready, fold it here a little bit. You're going to help fitting it. Hold on 1 second. Go there. Pull this a little bit, the rope. It's perfect. Then you fold it, and you need to fit it in. In. Very good. And now you pull it from here. We got it here. Out. Pull it out truly. Perfect. Then remove the knot that we just placed in. Ready to go. For this, perfect. Take the other zip tie that we have that comes with the kite, put it back here, zip it, cut it with a knife or razor blade. Make sure you don't cut this. And then go back on the tip. Fold this right here. And make sure it velcros with the other velcro that you will have all the way down there. On top. And now all you have to do is pump the kite and kind of shake the strut a little bit. So it's not twisted. Close everything and start pumping. Shake it a little bit for the bladder to really go in and nice. You don't want any twist. You gotta massage the bladder. Perfect.